Hello, hi, my name is Mzeda Rotondwa. Yose. Thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel again. And today we are going to learn a very important things. It is 3-letter words again. Now in today's 3-letter words, like I promised on the previous video, is that you are going to be learning about how many vowels and how many consonants. I said 1 consonant and 2 vowels. Are you ready for that? Others were saying, sir, is that possible? It is possible. 2 vowels, 1 consonant. Now, the first word that I want you to learn today is ice. Ice, the one for the ice block or ice pop, or that cold thing that you find inside the refrigerator that you love a lot. Don't love it too much because you will catch the cold, eh? Ice. This one. How many consonant here? And how many vowels here? Vowel, consonant, vowel. I-C-E. Ice. Ice. Now from this ice, let's talk about this other eye. Also, it has got 2 vowels and 1 consonant. Yes, this is it. E-Y-E. It says what? I. Don't say ice. It's I. It's only 1 eye, okay? 1 eye. I. Alright, now let's jump to the next word. The next word that has got 2 vowels and 1 consonant. It is called eat. I know you love eating a lot. Eat. Eat. E-A-T. The only sound that I want here, it is of the consonant T. So don't just say eat. T must be heard. The sound of it. Eat. Eat. Our sound is here. Eat. Now another word. T-O-O. When you read it, it says what? The sound of our consonant here, it's t. Don't say toe. No, it's two. I like it too. I want it too. Me too, mom. Give it to me too. You say it a lot. This is how you write it. Too. Okay? Now, let's move on. We have got the word one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I was folding my paper. One. A student in my class once said one. This is not one, right? This is one. Okay, now let's check this one. A student in my class once said are. No, it's a. I know there is a r here, of which the sound would say rrr. But swallow the sound and say r. Okay? You got it? Okay. Now, here's another one. O-U-R. How do we pronounce it? I said swallow the sound R. So this one is our. This is our thing. This is our. You and me. This is our words. Our. Not the hour of time, The watch. No, our belongs to us. Okay? O-U-T. O-U-T. Now here, don't say oh. Oh. Now, the sound for our consonant must be heard out. Out. Okay? Good. Now, let's do the last two before I give you the classwork. Let's do the last two before I give you the classwork. U-S-E. There it is. U-S-E. Our consonant is S. And the sound of our consonant says what? S. So, when you read this word, you will say what? Use. 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 Our last word, E-V-E. Our consonant is what? V. And what's the sound of our consonant? V. So when you read it, you say what? Eve. 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 Now, it's time for classwork. Get ready to write. Word number one that you're going to write, it is the word see. Write the word see for me. Let me see. See. The one that we see with our eyes. See. And when you write this classwork, remember, we must have what? How many vowels and how many consonant? 2 vowels and 1 consonant. And our consonant is S. And the consonant S produces the sound what? S. And then you write W-E. S-E-E. C. Did you get it right? Congratulations. Now this word number 2 in our classwork, age. Right? Age. How old are you? Your age. How old are you? Age. Age. Remember, 2 vowels, 1 consonant. And our consonant here is what? G. And the sound says what? G, 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 G. So, if you are done, let's mark it. A, G for G. And E. Age. A-G-E. Good if you got it correct. Now, let's come to the third one. B. The one that flies. The one that if it lands on you and bites you, oh, it's painful. The bee, the one that moves, goes with the sound. That's the one that I'm talking about. The bee. The one that you find a lot in flowers and in the drinks. B. How many consonant? 1. Alphabet B. And then 2 are vowels. If you write, drum roll, the answer is B-E-E. Congratulations to those who get it, and those who didn't get it, you will get the next one. Now, here's the next one. A. Let me relax while I give you this one. A. Let me catch the A. A. I'm breathing in and out. A. Did you write it? Drum roll. 1 consonant, and our consonant there is R. Uh-oh. What did you write? Now, A, I, R. A. A, I, R. A. Did you write that? Okay, good. Now, let's talk about the second to the last one. Iron. 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 It's obvious this one, right? No need for drum roll. I-O-N. Now, our last word, last but not least, era. 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 Write it. I know you're thinking the correct one because how many vowels? 2. How many consonant? 1. Era. Drum roll.